Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
You start by collecting everything: plywood, 2x4s, screws, 1 metal peg, rubber pads, foam for elbow cups. You mark the top now so placement is precise. Draw a center line and 2-9 hand zones to mirror competition spacing. Once done, position the elbow pad locations 4 inches from the edge and outline the peg hole. Pre-drill pilot holes to prevent splitting and clamp pieces for stability. This saves time later and ensures you assemble the 2x4 frame square and true, using glue and 3-inch screws at each joint so the base resists torque. Once the frame is clamped, set the plywood top and fasten it with 1 1/4 inch screws spaced every 6 inches. This keeps the surface rigid under lateral loads. Then stick or bolt a 1-inch rubber pad under the top where forearms contact to absorb impact and check that nothing rocks. Make sure to countersink fasteners so hands won't snag during a match. You now mount the 1-inch metal peg at the center line using a washer and a lock nut. Tighten enough to avoid wobble but not so much it cracks the top. Next, shape foam elbow cups, glue them in place, and wrap vinyl for grip and hygiene. Staple the edges under the table for a clean finish. Sand all edges and apply sealant or paint to protect the wood. If something wobbles, red-eye tin bolts and add a diagonal brace. Small shifts usually mean a loose joint.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.